Hello, do you want to speak English every day? Yes, let's learn together. Let's learn about daily routine in a fun and easy way. Morning routine. Try this, say it with me. मेरे साथ बोलिए. I wake up early. I smile. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I comb my hair. I get ready. I eat breakfast. Now your turn. अब आपकी बारी है. Fill in the blanks. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. Well done. Repeat after me. I wear my uniform. I say bye to my family. I go to school at 6:30 a.m. मतलब मैं 6:30 बजे जाती हूँ स्कूल. I cycle to school. Fantastic. Read aloud with me. मेरे साथ ऊंचे ऊंचे पढ़िए. I reach school at 6:45 a.m. मैं 6:45 a.m. स्कूल पहुंचती हूँ. We clean our classroom. We attend assembly. We study different subjects. Break time. Now pause the video and repeat. I eat food. I play with friends. I talk to my friends. Very good. You're learning English. Speak loudly along with me. मेरे साथ ऊंचे ऊंचे बोलिए. After school, I come home. I eat lunch. I rest. I go to tuition. I do my homework. I clean the house. I help in the farm. I play with my friends. Night routine. Repeat after me. I eat dinner. I talk to my family. I pack my school bag. I say my prayers. I sleep at 10 p.m. Good night. Let's play. Is this right or wrong? The first sentence. I eat breakfast at night. Think carefully. It's wrong. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch in the morning. Is this correct or wrong? Wrong. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I go to school in the morning. Right. I brush my teeth in school. Wrong. Good try. Great. If you enjoyed learning, don't forget to like and subscribe. अगर आपको मज़ा आया तो like और subscribe कीजिए ये channel. You did a great job today. Practice every day and you will speak English confidently. Bye and see you in the next video.